How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're going to be briefly talking about ExpressVPN. Honestly, for me personally, ExpressVPN is one of the best, if not the best, VPN for unblocking geo-restrictions and streaming services. I've been using it for over a couple of years and I've never had any trouble. I use it on my phone, my PC, and my smart TV to unblock Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus. And it's just a great VPN overall. It's got a really strict no-logs policy and they don't collect any data. It's great for privacy. It's got proprietary obfuscation technologies, which allows it to easily bypass geo-restrictions and give me access to streaming services that otherwise won't be available to me. And of course, proprietary obfuscation, if you're not familiar with obfuscation, it's the technology or the feature that simply allows a VPN to hide the fact that it's a VPN. Because if you didn't know, streaming services, specifically Netflix, it's very difficult to unblock, and obfuscation will hide the fact that it's a VPN, and that's how you can access Netflix without a problem. So as you can tell here, I have access to 30 Rock, and this is pretty much my evidence that I have access to the United States library, because 30 Rock is only available in the United States. And if I go ahead and as you can tell, I disconnected from the VPN right here. And if I refresh, 30 Rock will disappear, and because I no longer have access to the Netflix library. But if I connect back to the US server right here and go ahead and refresh Netflix, I will regain access to the Netflix US library. It's as simple as that. So if you guys are interested in ExpressVPN, if you want to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find the full in-depth review in the description down below. And of course, you'll find links to pricing discounts if you're interested in claiming the discount while it lasts. And you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive ExpressVPN to your heart's content for 30 days risk-free either way. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can claim the refund within 3 to 5 business days. It's super easy. Just make sure you're purchasing the subscription from the VPN website itself. And for a discount, again, you'll find a link in the description. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.